All right, so if I want to add a footnote somewhere in my document, all I need to do is place my cursor first. So I've just opened up a strategy that I used with my kids before. So we had something with some text in it. So wherever my cursor is, that's where my footnote is going to go. And then I'm going to go down here to the Explore button in the bottom right, click on that. And what it's going to do is pull up things that it's identifying in your paper. But if I had a specific link or something I was trying to cite in my paper, I could put that link here and search it, or come down further and well, actually, you have to search something first. So let's go ahead and search artificial intelligence because it's pulling terms from my paper. So once again, just like we walked through in class, once you search something or search the exact web link, you've got a list of links. You can find what you're actually looking for. And then you're going to hit these little quotation marks. And like it says right underneath it, it will cite it as a footnote. So I'm going to do that. Say this was the one I was using. And so I've got my little footnote here. If I scroll down, here is that citation in MLA citation format. And remember too, you can change that up here at the top of your web results. If you go to your three dots always gives you more options. I can switch that to APA or Chicago style as well. So that is how I can add footnotes. And if I don't want that to be there anymore, like my upper class kids, my high schoolers, I'd have them take this then and put this on their actual works cited page and not use it as a footnote. If I'm using this with younger kids and the point is for them to just simply cite something and acknowledge that it needs citation, then maybe that footnote's good enough. But if I don't want this anymore, I hit my backspace or delete button and it's going to take it right off of that page. The only thing it doesn't do is it does not pull in, I'm going to do this again. It never pulls in, oh, that one came up really big, the actual author of that citation. So if whatever I'm pulling this from, if there is an actual author for an article on that page, it's not going to do that. It's going to start with the title of the web page. And so that's where, once again, upper level kids, yes, they can copy this. This gives them the basic format, but they need to go back to that actual web source and see if there's an actual author and then add that author's last name, comma, first name, period to the beginning of that citation. So useful tool, comes from your Explore button right down here in the corner. You're going to open that up. You're going to actually search something first, because until you search something, it's not going to give you that option of dropping the footnote here.